West Classic Muscle Cars wants to know, what's your favorite engine?
All right, hi, my name is Edwin. This is my custom lime green 2014 Chevy Spark. Pretty much built it from the ground up. I got a K&N air intake system, K&M cold air intake filter, hydrographic dipping complete engine components, Pioneer sound system. I got custom black and lime green paint job, and custom vinyl graphics surrounding the car, interior and exterior, LEDs interior and exterior, including the engine and the wheels. And I got a custom turbo system, complete with high performance engine components.
What size are these tires? My bicycle look tires.
Yeah, those are 15 inches.
That's cool. Now, just a technical question. With the drums that small, car brakes fine?
Oh yeah, I got high performance brake pads, so yeah.
You know, just with smaller, less braking.
I have all engine race components and K&N system, so as far as performance wise, it's top of the line.
Cool. Now, who came up with this idea? You?
Yeah, I got the idea from the movie, and then I took it from there.
Oh, and I like this. I like that. That is so cool.
Allspark, yeah.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Only those familiar with the movie know what's that.
Right, exactly. Have you won car show awards?
Oh yeah, I'm racking them up.
You got the cube. Little do people know there is something in real life that has a lot of power with the cube.
Oh yeah.
Just so you know, there's something. I'll tell you about that later. All right, so now, can we see the engine? Now look, before you do that, I'm gonna... So cool. Now can we see the engine?
All right.
Alright, so what are we looking at?
I hydrographed completely all the engine components.
Alright, so people that don't know what that word is, what is that word?
Hydrographic is it's a paint film that you have to do it customly with water. It's all based on temperature and water, and it's a film that you place in water and wrap all your components in.
Okay. Is it hard to do? Easy to do?
It's very hard to do.
Is it? Okay. And then what? This is the horn over here?
Yeah, that's actually a Uga horn. Yeah, that's custom. I bought that from overseas.
There you go. Can we hear how that sounds? Cool. And then do any of your doors do anything unique, or did you not get to that point yet?
I haven't gotten there yet. I'm working on the Lambo doors.
Cool. Anything in the so is this the back seat, or what is behind that?
That's just storage for now until I put the vertical doors.
Okay. So was that originally a 4-door car?
Originally 4-door, yeah.
And you took the handle off.
Right.
Okay. Cool.
All right, yeah, next I'm working on my vertical doors and suicide doors with all my LCD screens, and then it'll be a sight to see. Thanks for watching.
Please like and share all of our videos.
And thanks for watching US Classic Muscle Cars.
Perfect.